Yo, what's up? Ay, balik. Dungata. Hello vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Yo, what's up guys? Hello. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my guys.
Hello. Yo, what's up vlog? Welcome to my guys. Yo, what's up guys?
Welcome to my vlog.
To our vlog. My vlog. Hi. Welcome. Thank you.
Yo, what's up mga Ka-Gahi? So ngayon, magkanibago na ng vlog.
Hi guys. So today is already night.
Already.
Si Jamay kanina guys, ba siya? Wala tayong Lego for today's day. So what we'll be doing in this vlog is we'll be
24 hours English challenge. Challenge only.
okay. Yes, we'll be doing 24 hours English challenge. We'll be doing 24 hours English only challenge. Okay, so the time now is 9:21. So tomorrow we will end 9:21 also PM. Okay. So yes, okay? Okay, agree. Contract, okay? So
Okay.
that's not English. Okay, much. Okay, much. So we will do points. The one who will have greater points in the end of this vlog will have a punishment. Start?
9:30 we will be starting.
Okay, 9:30 daw.
So,
Ay, nalo.
we have 7 minutes left.
Okay, practice,
We
okay?
have 7 minutes
So, yeah. Okay, yeah, guys, by the way, these are my cousins, Langga, Liza, and
Tita.
Jame, and all.
So, time check. It's 9:30.
It's 9:30 and
Our challenge is
gonna start na. So, this is our list. So, we will see who will get so much points, and the one who will get so much points will eat 2 pieces of
one
chili.
2.
One piece. So, huy. What's huy? What's huy?
So.
You said huy. Huy. Huy.
You said hoy.
I said huy.
You said hoy when I press.
You wanna listen? I recorded it. Okay, we'll check
Liza,
first.
1 point.
Okay, guys. Apparently, when I turned off the video, I said awa awa. So I will have 2 points also. So per word, 1 point. So I have 2 points, and then Liza 1 point. Langga is not here because she's still calling. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna sleep now because we
We're
were
tired.
very tired last night. So, and don't worry, when the camera will be off, I will still be listing Bisaya words. Okay? So, tomorrow when we wake up, for sure there will be a lot of lines here. Good luck, guys. Okay, good night, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye! Langga, if you will do call center, it has to be English. We will be with you.
We're gonna be honest.
We will be with you. This is our challenge until tomorrow, 9 p.m. 9:30 p.m. You said agree. You did agree. So we're gonna do it. So
I'm going to sleep na.
okay, you can sleep now. Okay, you sleep. You sleep. We have to be honest. This is our challenge. No more call center.
No, sleep na ako.
Langga, 1 point. 2 points.
Let's see the list. So, my name is
Jamia.
My name is Duna. I do not.
Never mind that. Okay, we should sleep and then let's continue vlogging tomorrow. But yeah, even if the
still
camera is off,
keeping-
we will still update the
We're still
list.
keeping
So you will see tomorrow
challenge.
what's the points. Okay, good night.
Good night, guys. Bye-bye. Let's sleep.
Hi guys, good morning, and guess what? I'm the last one who woke up and they're downstairs and I don't know what they're doing. But I saw in our GC they were still speaking in English there. And so far this is our list. So this was from last night before we slept because we had like little talks. So the day is still long, still have a few hours left, and let's start the day. I woke up late because I'm so tired from last night. I had sinus attack. Good morning!
Good morning.
You woke up so early. Yeah. Liza, why are you silent? Yeah. Okay, yeah. Good morning, Ate Iris.
Good morning.
Good morning, Uma.
Good morning!
We are vlogging. We're doing 24 hours challenge. On English only. You know what we should do?
Yeah.
So that we will have a productive day. We will clean Mama's car.
Okay.
Okay? After lunch? Yeah, after lunch. Okay, very good. Okay, bye guys.
Oh, my
Wow.
menu for the day.
Pinakbet.
Pinakbet.
Wow. And this is for sisig. Wow. Hi guys! We are back with this 24 hours English only challenge, and we are bored, so we will clean my mom's car. And you know, it's very dusty, that's why we're gonna clean it. Look how dirty it is. I can write my name. And so many trash and everything. And then this girl is playing, I don't know. Okay, thank you for that response.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my God.
What are you doing? Okay, first we have to vacuum the insides because it's very clean inside also.
It's very clean.
Yeah.
Okay, Kaya.
What did you say?
Okay, Kaya.
1 point.
One point.
It's 2.
Two?
Okay, Kaya.
Okay, can be English.
Oh.
Okay, we can just do one for her.
Stop the dust. Oh, init. Oh, I said init. You have 3 points now.
Oh, only two?
1, 2, 3. So, Ate Liza was cleaning the wheels of Mama Telma car. Yeah, and I'm already. Look how dirty.
Wait, borrow. I will wet this one here.
They will see my sexy body. I love it. Yeah. We're not in good mood.
Patrick is here from SpongeBob. It's finally done, and I'm alone. Last man standing. Yes. Okay. That's all for our car wash.
Much later.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Isaac, guys,
Guys, I survived the English only challenge.
I will teach you how to suyup this.
What's that? Suyup?
How to eat this like that, but like you inhale the inside of this one. Okay. It's like this. Example is like there's a hole. This is like it's
The butt.
like this ba? Shell. But this is it's like a shell, like diba? Shell is like this, but the design on this is very configuration. As it's like many like that in the inside of this. So
Spiral.
if you will gonna eat this, you need to cut this both this one.
Lubot.
This one.
Butt. Boot.
I guess so. We need to cut this, what you call this, butt, so that when you inhale in here, it's like this, yo. Like for example, there's no inside, there's no body in here inside the face. It's like this, though. Like that. You hear the noise in here, whistling. That is what you do in the there's a meat on there. You need there are very many style. My style is like DJ. I put my thumbs in here, then I buhi pa rin, guys. Again. TikTok.
And I
Like
make
that.
soup.
Then if you're gonna soup this, you need to cover it's made there like this, man. Nah, like for example, this one. There's a little
What do you
hole.
call that one?
Little hole. If you're gonna inhale that, it's useless because the inhale you insert it will gonna inside on here and outside of come from. So let's go, guys. Oh, let's go. Like this, guys. So
Patanaw dito sa.
Ayun.
Patanaw ba ito? Igsup-sup pa. Ang mata.
It's like this, guys. Oh, like that. It's like a
Worm.
It's like a green with very many aspirants of the tinae. Like that.
What do you call a tinai?
Bituka.
No, the English one.
English, intestine and intestine.
What kind of intestine? Large or
Small.
small?
You invite them to eat.
What's the English?
Dinner is. Let's dinner, guys. Dinner lagi. Yeah, it's dinner. Adlok. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat a dinner. Mangosteen.
We have 1 hour left. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yay! 1 hour and 30 minutes. You hold there more. Later you will be talkative na. Na? I said na. I said na. Hey guys!
Already 9.
It's finally 9:27 and this is our list. This is the final list before 9:30 reaches.
Wait, I'm gonna call it Langga.
This is it.
Playing Mobile Legends.
And to show you, to prove it to you that it's almost 9:30, it's 9:28. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 9:28. And the final points. Me, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, exactly 25 points. So, Liza got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 27. Jamea got 1, 2, 3, 4, 23.
While Langga got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 38 points.
Got 38.
Because she's always playing and so she cannot, you know, she will like accidentally say any language. Yeah, Bisaya or Ilonggo words. I guess it's already 9:30.
We're so clean.
It's a 30. Yay! Magka-Bisaya na ko!
Okay, guys, so we're gonna prepare the chili and everything, so
Be right back.
be right back. Yo, we're back, and Langga is here. And Langga, are you ready? I prepared you milk, but they drank it, so...
Drunk?
Yeah, you guys drank it. And,
No good at
candy, and this one. Are you ready?
Swallow
I will give you chance, only one.
Swallow it, swallow.
Because I love you, so only one.
No.
Swallow,
Only
swallow.
one, only one.
Lick it. Lick it muna.
That's tasty.
No, you eat it whole because if you make it dugay there, matagal, mas lalong aanghang.
You make ano lang, tulon-tulon.
Tulong-tulong. Yeah. So spicy. Ayan, wag pa mag-English.
English ako, busy ka English.
Ito, basic English si Joy. Nasaan ka na, Joy?
Tissue, tissue. Tissue, tissue.
Buksi. Buksi. Mi, kuha ka sugar, Mi.
No need, uy.
Wow. Ano all?
Hilbin. O si Hilbin.
Abi ko si ibigay niya kan Langga. Gadali-dali pa siya open.
Hindi man sa. Ano lang.
Paano? Ito minasok sa loob.
Wait.
Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye!